Hello students, so now that we are done with UPSC Prelims of 2026, we have noticed that UPSC is gradually changing the pattern of the paper including CSAT. So earlier what used to happen was students used to focus all year on GS and last के 2-3 months में CSAT पर focus करके they used to clear the exam as well. But now UPSC is gradually changing the pattern of the paper. If you haven't prepared the basics, you won't be able to solve the paper. There are 2-3 major changes that UPSC has introduced in the question paper. First one being the length of the questions. Questions are so lengthy that question selection becomes difficult. Questions easy भी हैं तो भी because of the statement, it takes time for the student to understand कि वो question attempt करना है या नहीं. Secondly, the paper focuses more on your fundamentals. So अगर आपने एक superficial study की है, you won't be able to solve the questions because you need to have strong basics for it. So to discuss all of this, we are conducting a webinar tomorrow, that is on 26th May at 5 p.m. It will be an online webinar where I will discuss all the pattern changes of UPSC and all the problems that the students are encountering in CSAT subject, also how to tackle them, कब ये subject की पढ़ाई start करनी है, when you should start with your preparation, for how long should you prepare, how many tests you should do, and also you can ask other doubts as well related to the subject. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow. You can register on the link given below. Thank you so much.